Well, that was a bit of a kerfuffle today at the wedding, wasn't it?
Aye. If I believed in ghosts, I'd say Dennis had a hand in it.
Who's Dennis?
Dennis was her first husband. Died a couple of years ago. Oh, he was a terrible jealous man. He really wouldn't like what's happening today.
Right, welcome everybody.
Try to keep quiet. Here's the bride and groom coming.
As you know, we're here tonight to have the reception for Carol and Jimmy that got married this afternoon. Most of you were at the wedding. We'll welcome Carol and Jimmy. We're going to start tonight just a wee bit different. Carol and Jimmy have requested these songs because they explain how they feel for each other and we wanted a nice romantic touch. So the first one was Carol's choice and this is what she wanted for Jimmy. You ain't nothing but
that wasn't the song I chose.
I know that's not what I tried to play. Wait a minute, I'll have a look and see if I can find the other one. I don't know what's happened to this lot. Can I just go ahead and maybe play Jimmy's one? Alright? I'm sorry about that, Carol, but... You the devil. Right, folks, I'm sorry about that. I don't know what's happened with this lot. I can't get the songs that they wanted at all. Don't understand this. So what I'm going to play now is it's not the first dance, it's just a nice song, nice romantic song that Carol and Jimmy wanted to dance to. So I'll just play that. Sorry about that. I don't know what's happened to this. It's as though this bit was haunted or something.
I'm beginning to think Dennis is here after all.
So, can I have some people up on the dance floor? We're going to have a nice, slow Scottish waltz.
Do you want to tell me what's going on?
I don't know.
This is my wedding reception.
What's going on? Yes, I know.
You've not played any song that I want.
I know.
Does your stuff fly? Does your stuff fly?
Fly? No, it doesn't fly. I wish it did. Right, I'll tell you what.
You will if you didn't.
Right. Let's try one more thing. I'll tell you what. How about if I just give you some party music?
Any kind of music that's actually got to play would be good.
Right, okay.
Right, come on.
Right, we'll try some party music. There she was, just walking down the street saying...
Is that right? Come on.
1, 2, 3 o'clock.
This is not even funny. Do you want me to come around there and do that?
Right, folks, we seem to have been having a lot of bother with the dance music I was trying to play. So Carol and Jimmy have said, we'll give that a rest and we'll have another go later on and see if I can work out what's wrong. In the meantime, what Carol and Jimmy want to do is reenact when Jimmy proposed to her. It was actually on a karaoke night, and Jimmy sang her a song, and then Carl sang one back. So, can we have a chair in the middle of the dance floor, please? Are you ready, Jimmy?
Yep.
That's not the song. It's not. No, that's not the song.
Is that not it?
No.
Right, wait a minute. Well, I don't know what else I can do, 'cause I don't know what else is wrong.
Oh my God,
Can
have you-
you just jump to the song that you sang back to him then?
Right. Have you got that?
Aye.
You sure?
Yeah.
Right.
That's what it says here then, anyway.
Listen. No. I'll tell you what. Wait. Oh my God.
Right. I don't know what's happening.
Can you take a memory stick?
Yeah. Have you
I've
got...
actually got the song on my memory stick.
Right, that'll do. Right, we'll use that.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Well, just try it first.
Aye, please.
And you tell me if this is the right song, eh?
Yeah.
I love you
Yeah, that's it.
because you
That's it.
understanding
Just make sure it's all right.
Can you play it from the beginning?
every
Right, we'll go back to the beginning.
Play that at the beginning. That's
Alright,
it.
okay.
I love you because
Oh my God. What's
Right,
wrong now?
it's-
I don't know. There's a wire came unplugged. I'll just plug this back in.
What have you done now?
Nothing. It isn't easy. Must be faulty wiring in this hall.
Hang on, your equipment's tipped the switch. I'll have to go and reset it.
That's better. Right,
No. I'll tell you what. I've had enough.
but
No, I've had enough. You're not getting paid. My money's going to something else. Come on, everybody. Let's go to the pub. Yay!
go away! Never again!